What is that? Wait. Just take it! Go! Leave him alone! Whew. Okay. Okay, we're good.
He's gone. You're safe now. I won't let him get you.
Oh, God. They're back.
You made it through the night. Heat up.
Stay there. You belong here. Goodbye, little one.
Wait, how did you... I can't leave him behind.
You're coming home with me. Almost there.
This is your new brother. Look, he thinks he's a dog.
Yee! They are best friends.
There's plenty of room.
Did you bring me my shoe?